welcome back to another vlog. So sorry guys, I've not uploading my videos almost for maybe 3 or 4 months. So today I'm back with another topic. We'll go and check out another waterfalls which is located near Umru, I think. That is in Bert Langso or Wat Hat Langso. So there will be 4 people joining me. 2 of them are behind me. That is Chesong and Serkim. And another 2 which we'll have to go and pick them up, and then we'll start the vlog. Look at this guy. This is the guy.
Hey, what's up? Good morning, man. My name is Levin, and I just came from home. Means I was late actually, so they have been waiting for me. And really, so let's see the beauty of nature today.
You're like an old lady making us late, man. Come on. Literally, this guy is making us wait for almost like 30 minutes. Come on. Hey, chalo. Let's go. Adon. We are here. Only Saturn knows. Now we'll pick him up, and then he'll be the guide for today's vlog. So now we are in main town of Dongkamukam. We'll stop here just to buy some drinks. I mean like cold drinks or water, whatever it may be. I'll just go and buy, and we'll move from here. Now we are here in Wat Langso petrol pump. We'll put some oil and then we'll move from here. I just love the road. When you come this kind of places, don't expect a good road. So I'm in the village called Umru, and I had to keep my car here. Are you guys excited? Yeah. Serkim is excited. Mr. Win.
Hey, what's up, man? Yeah.
And by the way, Mr. Win has got his own YouTube channel. He makes some music videos, so you can check him out. I'll give a link in the description. And on my left, here, Mr. Chesong. He also got his own YouTube channel. You can check him out too. I'll give all the link in the description. Song, show your face. They will not know.
Hi.
Okay. Damn. Don't expect like easy road. Okay. Let me show you. It's very steep. See, we have to climb out there. Woo! So guys, finally we are here. Oh, so tiring. After so many days of planning, failing. Wow, it's so nice, man. I'll show you. Here is the waterfall of Umru. Yeah. So guys, so we came back from the waterfall. We stayed there for like 10 minutes. So if you really like it, give a like. If you don't like, there is a button you can dislike, whatever you want. And then don't forget to subscribe, people. Come on, you watch my videos and you go back without subscribing. That's not fair. More awesome content are on the line, you know.
Like, subscribe.
Nang recon ke lah si like biar back. So guys, we'll be heading back now. So today it's not a long one, it's a short vlog. So thank you very much watching till here. And then I need to thank few people. See here, Chesong, Levin, Serkim, especially to Serton. He's very busy, but then I managed today to to guide us till to the waterfalls. So thank you so much, you guys, 4 of them. So nang tumta, thank you butala comment lo. Corona por la tumni long na tu. So thank you so much, guys. So then we are signing off from Omru Wetlands. So until then,
See you in the next one.
oh yeah, see you in the next one. Bye bye.